Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact keyboard model and installing the manufacturer's lighting software so you can access advanced controls. Once done, plug directly into a USB port. Hubs can interrupt firmware or settings. Make sure to close games and save any work because changes may reload the device. You'll open the app and locate the Lighting or RGB tab. This first step gives you the interface and permissions required to change profiles and avoid conflicting system controls. You now choose or create a profile because profiles let you switch between setups quickly for different games. Next, pick a lighting mode: static, wave, reactive, and then adjust speed, direction, and global brightness to control motion and intensity. Once that's set, assign colors to zones or individual keys so important bindings stand out. This is why per-key mapping matters for visibility and performance. Make incremental changes and preview in real time so you can see how effects interact under gameplay. You finish by applying and saving the profile, then enable any cloud sync or export a backup so you don't lose work. Once saved, test the lighting in the game to confirm visibility, and that software control overrides any default hardware mode. Switch to hardware control if you need OS-independent effects. If the keyboard ignores changes, reboot the PC and keyboard, reinstall drivers, or run the manufacturer's firmware update. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. This usually clears corrupted profiles or stuck LED states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.